So Sandy, if I called in and said my air conditioner's not working, what would you tell me to do?
With the customers, when they do call in, regardless of if the system is freezing up or not, we always err on the side of caution that it is. There's nothing our technicians can do with that system until it is thawed out and they can run a proper diagnosis on it. So we do always instruct the customers, first and foremost, if they have not turned their system off already, turn it off immediately. Once the technician does get to the home, everything will be ready to go for him to run his proper diagnosis.
To make sure you're comfortable all year long, schedule your maintenance today.
And for any additional questions, please feel free to call our office direct at 314-351-2533 and subscribe to our Vogel YouTube channel.